in the clothes under the lights.
I missed
yeah,
that.
I was getting very concerned.
Oh, dear. No wonder you looked like that when you came down. On to the weather. Alexis is here. Hope you made some,
most of today,
yeah,
yes.
quite, because tomorrow looks a bit wet.
Pretty horrendous, all in all. Yeah, we could have some really quite heavy rain and thunderstorms with hail. But we have had a lot of dry weather today, the odd isolated shower here and there. It stays unsettled as we head through the weekend. Deb Heath captured a buck in the morning sunshine in Overton.
Dave Levy took this picture, a tortoiseshell butterfly. That's at Titchfield Haven.
And there we have Dita Valerius taking Chapman's Pool in the sunshine in Dorset.
After a mainly dry day today, we'll see some rain in the forecast, especially through the day tomorrow. Mild and breezy overnight tonight, with rain arriving during the early hours of the morning. So the rain will be initially fairly patchy, a fair amount of cloud tonight, and mild temperatures as well, and an increasing southwesterly breeze, which will be stronger for coastal stretches and the Isle of Wight. Temperatures tonight will drop away to around 14 to 15 Celsius. So quite a soggy start to the day in many places tomorrow morning. Drier the further south and east you are, but the rain will affect many areas during the day tomorrow. Could be heavy, thundery, even with hail, but drier and brighter conditions through northern parts of the region. But we could have some torrential downpours at times. Temperatures tomorrow up to around 17, maybe 18 Celsius, and there will be a brisk southwesterly wind. Once again, that wind will be stronger for coastal stretches and around the Isle of Wight. The rain eventually clears during the latter part of tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening, with showers to follow. But drier conditions will develop during the early hours of Saturday morning. Temperatures tomorrow night not as high as tonight, dropping to around 10 or 11 Celsius in the countryside. But the breeze will continue to be strong through the course of tomorrow night and through Saturday. So a breezy weekend all in all. Low pressure is in charge of our weather. Saturday, the winds moving anti-clockwise around the area of low pressure, blowing in some showers. The showers through the afternoon on Saturday could be heavy and even thundery. Now, for those heading to Bestival, it started today. A dry day to pitch the tent, but turning wet through the next few days, with some drier interludes on Saturday. The chance of a thunderstorm both tomorrow and Saturday. A dry start to Sunday, but turning wet and windy during the course of the day. Here's the outlook for the rest of the region. Thunderstorms are possible tomorrow, some really quite torrential downpours at times. Drying out tomorrow afternoon and evening in many places, but there will be a brisk southwesterly wind. And that breeze stays fairly strong, especially on Sunday, where we could see gale force wind gusts along coastal stretches. Saturday, the possibility of sunshine and showers, the odd thunderstorm as well. Sunday, dry at first, turning wet later, and further thunderstorms on Monday. Sally.
Alexis, thank you very much. Despite the rain, whatever the weather tomorrow, we are going to be at Greenham Common because there's a huge event happening there tomorrow night between sort of 6:30 and 8:30. And it's all to do with music, song and dance and the history of Greenham Common. That's probably that you'll remember most of what went on there was the peace camp. Remember the women's peace camp? That was in the sort of 1980s and early 1990s when they were protesting against the American cruise missiles that were based at Greenham. Some of those women stayed there for years. We'll be talking to some of them tomorrow night and have plenty more besides. So join us tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.